Hey everyone, good. I'm Zhao. Okay, the content we've been developing these 2 days mainly consists of the content we demonstrated to you last time, which actually has a lot of bugs, some warnings, or similar things. We eliminated the warnings, then we made slight adjustments to the behavior tree and the blueprint assets associated with the behavior tree. Then, of course, this is a very simple one because we are still testing. We just made a test monster. You definitely know that different monsters have different behavior trees. Then the monster's death skill, his attack skill, made a slight adjustment. Then this birth effect and the material of this death effect. Also modified. Then our core content, we mainly added this pickup part, equivalent to adding the backpack pickup part. Of course, in reality, Lyra's backpack pickup part definitely needs a major overhaul because we want to make it into an RPG. So we definitely need to add some dynamic prefixes and also add some attribute. Currently, there's definitely none of that. Then because Lyra's original itself already wrote this, backpack pickup part, then it's roughly like this. Then we will demonstrate the latest effect for you. We made a random monster generator here and placed it here. Randomly placed two monsters in the scene. Then we first start two players to take a look. Good. We look okay. So we are here. We use this player. You see this monster has caused damage to us because this is directly using this system made with GAS and Lyra. So it's also fine on the network. So the zombies still charge at my face. So because the zombie's melee module is still using the hero's melee module, he will charge at him, which is normal because we gave him a root node's impulse. This one is a bit fierce. We'll switch to another one. We'll move him over here. Basically, there shouldn't be any issues. Throw a grenade. Then now, let's pick up this item. We picked it up. Open our backpack panel. He's actually already inside. This side is our weapon, right? Think. We turn off this backpack panel. Then we see the other character's side. This side, in fact, you can see his backpack is like this. Then we go to pick up some items. Because this backpack component is actually the main thing is to modify the content inside. Of course, the one inside here, if his code is written in a certain way, everyone would watch another tutorial, which will briefly explain to everyone. Think. How does the code inside interact with the blueprint? So our development logs for these 2 days will be demonstrated here. Because there's going to be a lot to add next. The main thing is to add this UI part, but UI is the second priority. Next, the main thing is to modify this equipment system, because currently the equipment system has bullets and weapons combined. Because we need to split the weapon into individual ones. It's equivalent to stripping out the bullets as well. Then at the same time, we need to add the weapon's attribute, damage, health, and other systems into him. So the next part is, this should be 2 parts of content. One is mainly about the attribute part. Then comes the UI. Hey, he's charging again. Of course, when there are multiple monsters, he can also get stuck. Because of this, when the behavior tree moves, he can't find a position. Think good. We'll demonstrate here. Thank you all.